Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Nintendo Switch software. This is really easy to do. So you can update the Nintendo Switch and also your games really easy. So to update a game, simply just go over it and press the plus icon. Go down to Software Update, and you can update via the internet right here. And then you should be good to go with your software. Now to update your Nintendo Switch, go to System Settings, and then scroll on down under here. And we want to go to where it says System. Then go to System Update. Current version is 18 for me. Select this, preparing to update your system. It looks like it's up to date. So this will be a manual update right here. And then you can go to Update Dock. All right, so the firmware is up to date for that. Now, another thing that you can do is updating your controllers. So if we go on up to Controllers and Sensors and scroll on down under here, we can update the controllers and see if there's an update for that as well. So try updating everything if you haven't used your Nintendo Switch for a while and your games and whatnot, and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.